Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. This is going to be a quick video. Now, remember I told you I ordered 2 of the mother-in-law tongue snake plants, a lot of different names. Senservias, maybe crushing that word, but you know, Senservias, whatever. But anyways, this is the other one. Let's see if I'm lucky twice with a good, healthy plant as I was with the first one. And a lot of you seen it. And some of you, I gave the link to. Let me know when you get yours and how healthy they are and how you enjoy the plant if you do. So this is another one. And I'm going to be potting this in this plant potter that I got from IKEA. It used to be here on my island, but I switched up the plant and I wanted to put this in my bathroom. So I'm going to plant this and I'm going to show you where it is in my bathroom. And yeah, so let's see if we like it first. I'm moving too fast. Let's see if we like it. Let's see if it looks good and if it is healthy. And if so, then we are going to plant it. I have my soil already ready. It already should have soil in it, so it shouldn't be too much soil that I have to use. And this is from Amazon. This was 11 bucks and $11.99. And let's see. I was making sure because remember before they surprised me with the air plant. And I'm just making sure it's not one in there because I literally would have tossed that thing last time because I didn't know it was in there. Oh, I got one broken leaf. Oh my gosh, the leaves are broken. Not bad, but yeah. Kind of a look. But it's not so bad. I can kind of live with that. I can kind of live with that. Yep, they did it again. Another air plant. They gave me another free air plant. Okay, we'll try to. The other one is, I don't know if I killed it or what's going on with it. But yeah, we'll try to see how that works. I think I may have watered it too soon. I don't know. It's going to be trial and error with those as well. But yeah, this is the snake plant. Okay, it's not so bad. I can live with these 2 little. Other than that, it looks really healthy for $11.99. So yeah, and actually I think this is the one that I spent $1 and some change for because I had a courtesy from Amazon, so I didn't really have to pay much for this one. So I'm not really gonna complain about that. So yeah, this is her, and let me repot it and put her where she belongs, and I can show you guys. Okay guys, so I decided to put me potting the snake plant in here and speed it up so I can add a little bit more to the video. And for those who may have missed me potting my last snake plant, I do have a video of just strictly me repotting a snake plant, so check that out. And I also wanted to share with you where I'm going to be placing it, so you'll see it after I pot this bad boy. I literally love this actual plant. This plant and pothos are my favorite because those are ones that I've learned so much with, and those are ones that are easy to grow and they don't ask for much. So yeah, and I'm gonna start doing propagation. I cannot wait to show y'all some stuff that I've ordered for propagation. I do propagation already, but it's gonna be a little different. All right guys, let's go. All right guys, so here she is in her new place, and she looks gorgeous. I like it. I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you thumbs up the video, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you have any questions, leave them below. If you want to see me do something on this channel, leave it below as well. And guess what guys, I will see you guys later, gators.